Hi, it's Brad from T.CON again, and today we're going to look at one specific work center in MES CAT, and that's going to be the extruder. So we have a number of customers that are in the foil or packaging industry, and so we have a specific work center designed for their needs. So let's take a look. So here you can see the screen. We have this one app for the extruder. So let's go in. We have a rather standardized personnel registration, so we can log in. And here you can see we have all the production orders with material descriptions, target quantities, product quantities for the specific work center. So it's only the production orders that are cleared for this work center. So this can be activated and then populates the field with a number of useful information. So we have kind of our standardized setup here with tabs that you can work your way through. So this is a rather extensive list of tabs that are available. Of course, this would be developed and kind of customized for customer needs. So, if you're not interested in recording defects or don't have the capability at the moment, you don't need to include that tab. You can also reduce everything down to one simple overview. There's a lot of custom abilities that you can do to set this up to your needs. But we have standardized things, so you can go through and have the input materials. So you have for example, in this case, it's a red granulate that is extruded out into a foil. We can do such things as tracking and tracing time, tracking and tracing waste, energy consumption, as I mentioned earlier, defects. We have the ability to record do on-site QM inspection or other types of data entry, so you can measure these things. I will go into a lot of these aspects in these tabs in additional videos in more detail. So you can also record machine time. Here are the list of sets that would be produced on this for this order. So as they become produced, you can actually go back and make changes. And these are some production tools that support in the production on this work center. And at the end, we have some production order details. You also have available at all times, if you noticed as you go through the tabs, this area above, which also contains some production order information. It just makes sure that all this information is available to the user anytime they need it, and that they don't have to go to this specific tab. And on the right, you have some specific information, for example, kind of a representation on how far along you are in the production order, as well as an OEE calculation. So that's just one specific work center that we have designed for the for customers producing with plastics. So for an extrusion process, for foil or packaging, we have various different others. So we'd be happy to tell you more about them. In the future, I'm going to be making more videos about MES CAT and features that we have available. So please stay tuned, and thank you for your time. Bye.